to withdraw your earnings from your international TikTok account, your UK account, your US account, and the rest of them. That is what I'm going to be showing you how to do in today's video. If you see me for the first time, day when your man again see, I'm Chimadeka. You already know I'm a video editor, a video editing coach, and also an influencer. How are you doing? Because me, I am fine. Back to why you clicked on this video. You already know that as a Nigerian creator using a UK TikTok account or any international account at all, you're not going to be withdrawing your earnings into your bank account directly. You need to withdraw your pounds, then convert it into naira for you to be able to access your money. And to do this, you're going to be using the Gray app. Probably you must have heard about the Gray app. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how you can register and also withdraw your money into that your Gray app. So why not like this video already, drop a lovely comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me go ahead and show you how you can withdraw your money into your Gray app.
To get our Gray app, you have to go to our Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device you are using, whether iOS or Android. So just go and download the Gray app. This particular app you are seeing on the screen, that black app. So install it on your phone and let's work with it. The Gray app has been installed in our phone. Now you click on Get Started because you don't have an account with Gray, right? Now sign in with Google or your email address, anyone at all you have. After that, what country do you live in? Obviously, we live in Nigeria using UK account. So you click on continue because Nigeria is already there. You see, confirm you have a valid ID for Nigeria. You proceed with Nigeria. At this point, input your basic information, your first name, middle name, surname, gender, email address, phone number. But please, for this name part, ensure that the name you are inputting is your real name on TikTok. I don't mean your username. Now, what do you want to use Gray app for? You can just go ahead and choose everything. There is nothing we don't want to use Gray app and do. So you can just click everything you can see there. After that, continue. All right, it brings us here. Create your pin. Go ahead and create your 4-digit pin. You already know how to do that. After that, welcome to Gray. Now click on go to home. This is the interface you're going to be seeing: the dollar, add money, send, convert, and the rest of them. So go to start verification because we need to get the account details that we can use to withdraw our money from TikTok because we don't have any international bank details. Haven't done that, you will see begin KYC verification. So click on it and it brings you to this interface. Go ahead and input your date of birth, then your home address, proof of address type. Now they are going to ask your zip code. You can just go to Google and check like the state you are in, the zip code of that state. So I just put Anambra. Then proof of address type, you can put your utility bill, that's your NEPA bill. Go ahead and answer if you're a politically exposed person. If you're not, just answer no. Let's go to the next one. At this junction, click on begin identity verification. It brings you to this interface where you see permission required. Click on OK. Now for this interface, you're going to choose the government documents you have, your name, driver's license, passport, voter's card, anyone you have, just select it. So I'm using my name. Put your NIN number if you're also using NIN. After that, look for a place that has good lighting. You will not be wearing glasses, no hat, neutral expression. You understand? Just put your face and the Gray app is going to take a selfie of your face. Once it's approved, they're going to be seeing verification request submitted. Thank you for being patient with us. So you click on continue. At this point, they're going to review everything we have given to them. All those are our information. So you have to be patient a little. Now go back to your home. You click on complete setup. Get your foreign account. That's what you're going to be clicking on. Then you know that UK account uses Great Britain pound, so you're going to click on that particular one. Now the Gray app is going to tell you to confirm the information you have given them. That's your first name, middle name, and last name. If it's correct, just click on yes, it is correct. If it's not, please go and change it. Next slide is for you to update your account information. So you're going to click on work information. What do you want to use the account for? So you can just click on I'm a freelancer. After that, go ahead and fill this particular form. For the occupation, just choose any occupation. What freelance platform do you use? Can just choose any platform. Now link to your profile. Go to your TikTok and get the link to your TikTok profile. Then monthly income band, just choose anyone there. Then go ahead and click on submit. At this point, you see your GP account is ready. Once you have completed your setup, go to your Gmail account. They must have sent you your account details. You can see my own hello blessing. Your new GB account details is ready. You want to go to that your TikTok account. That's your UK TikTok account. You are going to click on profile. Click on those three lines at the top right corner. It is going to bring you to this interface. Click on balance. This side of your UK TikTok account is going to be accessible if you have reached 10,000 followers or if you have entered the Creators Reward Program. Do you understand? Now you are going to see schedule payouts. You click on set up now. For this setup, I use my NIN. That's why you can see identity verification completed. But if you don't know how to do it, just tell me, I will make a video about this. Is now where we are going to add our bank details that we obtained from Grace. So you're going to click on bank transfer, right? It brings you to this interface where you're going to put in the 4-digit code TikTok sends to the number you used to open TikTok. We are finally at the last stage. This is where you're going to put in your bank details. Remember your first name and your last name. Everything should be correct, right? Just go to your Gmail and get that exact details Greg gave you. Just put it here. If you followed all this process, you should be having something like this: bank transfer primary, showing that you now have your bank details attached to your TikTok account.
So yes, I want you to go through this process we went through, and you're going to achieve the same result. If you're not able to achieve the same result, just comment in the comment section, and on the next video I'm going to be showing you how you can convert that money from pound into your Nigerian bank account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one. God.